walking the dog, and I don't know what trail we're on, but we are on the trail right now. We just got across the bridge that leads to the trail, and another part of my first vlog. So we are a bit farther from where we last were doing a vlog, and since we've been here before, we know that there's like a bike trail right here that you can take your bike on, or you can take your bikes on and stuff. And right now. Okay, so these are my dogs, Luna and Sprinkles. That's Luna, and that is Sprinkles. We are out on this trail that's a bit long away from my house, and they are very nice dogs. So yeah, this is another part of the trail. Last time we were here, these were like blocked off. Now the doors right here is missing, and now you can. I think you can enter this barn now. I don't know. I'm gonna head to the front to see, but I think you can. I don't really know, but I believe you can. Oh no, actually, I think you can, but I don't know. And that's the inside of it, and we are by this coffee shop, we believe it is, and we got some hot cocoa. This barn that's right next to the coffee shop, or whatever it was, we think it's a coffee shop. And this is the inside of the barn. But we did as far as we could, so Snow Shark out.